Hey everybody, welcome. So here I want to do a unboxing and hopefully I can put this together of the screen protector. But I want to show you what I got today. I got a U-green extension cord, 100-watt output. I got also a few days ago I got this little cool Peltian little cooler right here. Pretty cool. I'm gonna use that from the new phone. And then I got this spinning glass screen protector. And this is the new Samsung S25 phone that I got. So here we go. Gonna open it. First I'm going to take off my broken nail. Toss that away. Oh, and I also got this stylus that I had a stylus like this before, but I packed it away, so I don't have it currently. But I bought another one that I found for like $9, and it's basically the same one. Takes a single AAA. I'm going to put the AAA in here now, and it works very fantastically great. Just put that AAA in there, boom, powers up, and now you have the ability to boot. It also has a sensitivity adjustment on the tip, so you can bring the tip out more for low sensitivity if you don't want it too much, or bring the tip in for higher sensitivity if you have a screen protector or something like that on it. That's pretty nice. Doesn't need recharging or anything because AAA works pretty well. So here we go. Let's unbox this. Yes, I know I'm doing this with my finger. Hehe, fingernails. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Okay, woo, there we go. I'm gonna take that out. I'm gonna put something here first before I continue doing this. Put this in the back. Oops. So nice and cold right there. Black protectors on it. I'm gonna keep that on there for now. And the box is probably pretty generic in here. Just a single USB-C port. System ability. And a SIM card ejector tool. Yep, USB-C to USB-C. And I get that back in. That's it. Pretty basic, generic stuff. Nothing too crazy on the jazz there. I'm gonna keep this out for a bit because I'm gonna use that to put my my phone on it. So, what is this? Probably about 3-4 feet-ish, something like that. Not too bad. Put that there. Put that bad boy there. Okay. Now, before I turn this on, I'm going to put this screen protector on. So, bring out all the crap that this has. Try to keep my hands as dust free as possible, because yeah. Probably don't need to clean this. I don't see any marks. So all I have to do is just take this off and just slap the screen protector on it. So dust off my hands. So you can see already, I'm already starting to get some dust particles on it. That's not good. So let's see. Take that off. Oops. It's very sticky. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay. There are some air bubbles. So we're gonna squeegee those. Kind of get those bad boys out. Take this off. And what the heck is that? Seriously? Well, that's a crap. Freak. Almost. Almost perfection right there. I don't know what the freak this is about, but there's some kind of spot right there. So I'm gonna actually have to do the real clean technique, because that shouldn't have been there. Great. Oh, it's because there's a big dust particle right in the middle of the screen. Under the casing. Great. How annoying. Uh-oh. I put this on backwards. Great. Doggone it, frick. And it's a clean fit. Look at that. Frick. Doggone it. I knew this was going to happen. It's freaking ridiculous. Well, that sucks. Okay, well. Anyways, I guess that'll work for now. Let's see if this actually has magnetism. Somewhat. Not the most fantastic magnetism, but somewhat. See if it turns on. It got power. No. Oh, yep, it does. Okay, so I'm gonna have to redo the screen protector and get that functional, because yeah, there is a difference. There's a slight little lip down here, and it's gonna bother the freak out of me, and it's just not as correct as it should be. But yeah, so I gotta do this one more time. Thankfully I bought another case, and then get everything done there and get to squeegeeing everything. So I will see you guys all later. Peace out and kick some butts.